I've eaten it in my car alone. Sauce. You feel it? Like coming together? ASMR. Maybe a little more. This is exactly how they assemble it in In-N-Out. I want to recreate one of my favorite fast food items on the planet, and that is just a simple In-N-Out burger. I've eaten it in my car alone a million times, but let's make it at home. Half a cup mayo, and I do measure for this, and I use store-bought mayo. Because you want that store-bought taste at home, you got to use store-bought. Half a cup mayo. 3 tablespoons of ketchup. This is so fun to make. A little bit of mustard, just a little, like a little bit more, about 2 tablespoons. So I do 2 little squirts. All right, now, ridiculous, the relish, 4 tablespoons. I know it's a lot, but it's also that texture. You know, when you're crunching down, you get that little bit, that's what that is. I like to add a splash of white vinegar, just a little bit, just like a teaspoon. Pepper. And we whisk. Now, I don't really salt this because you got a lot of salty stuff going on. The ketchup, the relish, everything has built-in saltiness. There's that sauce. Sometimes I like to add just the tiniest, sometimes I like to add just a dot of hot sauce. Just gives it that little lift. It's not spicy. Sauce. Now we gotta get all our other stuff ready. A white onion, sweet, not too oniony really. Half, I do a little dice here. I don't do it too big, but I like the texture. Just doing this. You can feel the onion, like it's little pieces. Okay, we got the onion. We're gonna do some tomato slices. Not too thick, by the way. I don't really like a thick slice, and if you're recreating that In-N-Out vibe, kind of on the thinner side. But what I do is get them ready to just season them with a little salt and pepper in a single layer. So they just have that extra bit of seasoning. Sauce, onion, tomato, a little bit of lettuce, Iceberg, of course. I always peel off that outer layer. Let's take a piece, like an iceberg cheek off the side. Just kind of open it up a little bit. It's not chopped really, it's like pieces. So it's like you kind of pull them apart. Pull them apart. I season those too. And then I put it together. Look at that. So it's like pulled apart but put together. Onion, tomato, lettuce, sauce, potato roll, pulled apart fully, neatly, and we're gonna toast it. Special sauce, diced white onion, seasoned tomato, sliced, and iceberg lettuce, pulled apart with salt and pepper. You feel it, like coming together? Let's get to the serious business and cook those burger patties. like that. Right next to me, and I love that little cheese skirt around it, toasty bun. That sound, ASMR. Sauce. Maybe a little more. This is exactly how they assemble it in In-N-Out. Sauce. See those little bits of pickle in there? Sauce. Onion. Oh yeah, just that smattering of onion, like spring rain. Tomato. Oh yeah. Lettuce. Patty. We did it animal style with the mustard. Look at that. One patty. Do you see that little cheese skirt on there? And then the other patty right on top. Yeah, we did. Look at that. Yeah, you should barely be able to do this. And then the top, more sauce right on top. Oh my God. There she is. In all her glory. Let's cut it in half. Oh my God. In-N-Out, we outdid ourselves. Let's try it. Oh my God. Is she so juicy or what? Okay. I'm in a parking lot in LA right now, but I'm at home. You gotta make this. Special sauce, diced white onion, seasoned tomato, sliced, and iceberg lettuce pulled apart with salt and pepper. You gotta make this.